Welcome to How to Find the Zeros of a Function. We begin from the home screen by clicking on the Equations and Graphs button. This brings me to the Equations and Graphs editor screen. I will need to enter my expression across from one of the y equals. I've circled an expression down here on the bottom, f of x equals x to the fourth minus 3x squared. So I need to enter that, x raised to the fourth, subtract 3 x raised to the second. I'll need to graph this expression. Let me zoom in some by double tapping. And it looks like there's a 0 between -2 and -1.5. It looks like there's a 0 right around the origin, and it looks like there's another 0 over here between 1.5 and 2. I will click on the menu button, go up to Calculations, and then I will choose Find Zeros or X-Intercepts. I click on the button Find Zeros or X-Intercepts. I'll need to enter a lower and upper bound for my function. Well, I think it's the first 0 somewhere between -2 and 1.5. So I'll click on -2 and -1.5. I see that it did find a 0, also an x-intercept, at x equals -1.7321. It shows me that I was searching on the interval -2 to -1.5. Of course, to see this full screen, I simply click the close button, and that renders the full screen version, full screen image. You'll notice that it does show me the function I was searching on. It shows me the 0 that I asked about. It gives me the exact coordinate of the 0 and shows me the interval that I was searching on. There were some more zeros though, so let's go find the next one. We return to the Menus button, go up to Calculations, click on Find Zeros. This time we'll need to change the bounds. Let's go from -0.5 to 0.5. This should find the 0 right around the origin, and it does. You'll notice it says it found the x-intercept of y1 at x equals 0. We thought there should be one right there. And lastly, there should be one over here at between 1.5 and 2. So no reason to go all the way back. I can just start right from this screen and back up and put in 1.5. Oops, back up, got to put that decimal in there, and 2. So let's clear this out. Alright, so we're going to look between 1.5 and 2. We click the Calculate button, and we see that it did find a 0 right here, an x-intercept of y1 at x equals 1.7321. Shows me again the interval I was searching on, shows me the function that I've entered, and to see the full screen version, I simply click on the Close button, and that will render the full screen image. And this ends your session on how to find the zeros of a function.